In this tutorial, we're going to build a new indicator based on an existing one. First, let's add Bollinger Bands to the chart. Our goal is simple. We want to generate signals whenever the close price moves outside of the bands. Now, switch over to the indicator builder. To get started, delete the existing output node and add a Bollinger Bands node instead. Then connect the Bollinger Bands source input to our chart source so it can calculate using the chart data. Add a second source node so we can specifically use the close price for comparison. Now, add a compare node. We'll compare the close price against the upper Bollinger Band so we can detect when price closes above the top band. To show this on the chart, add a marker output node and connect the compare output to the marker output. That way, whenever the condition is true, we'll see a marker on the chart. Now let's name the indicator, save it, and switch back to the Chart tab. Once you add the indicator to your chart, you'll see markers appear whenever the close price is above the upper Bollinger Band. Now let's do the same thing for the lower band, so we also get signals when price closes below it. Switch back to the indicator builder and load your indicator. Add a second compare node. This time, compare the close price to the lower Bollinger Band to detect when price drops underneath. Now add another marker output node and connect the output of that second compare node into it. Let's quickly customize this marker a bit. Change the shape, color, or label, so it's easy to tell it apart from the upper band signal. Save again, and head back to the Chart tab. Now you'll see markers for both cases, when price is above the upper band and when it's below the lower band. And later on, you can always refine this, like moving markers to more visible positions or tweaking the marker styles to match your preference.